Gyroscopic transport. A unique project known as second-level transport, developed by DeHeer and Sock Company once again, bring forward the idea of alternative mass transportation system. Similar to the transit elevated bus, a massive bus that crawls the street like a moving bridge. The company, however, gives it a little bit more sophistication by using telescopic racks rather than rigid support. The roof of the deck is fitted with solar panels for constant charging. Each of the 6 racks has its own motor and sensors to recognize what's happening on the street. This rack moves on a specially designed steel rail on top of the existing road surface. The company says the cost to build the rail network is much cheaper than traditional concrete or asphalt surface. Each time a truck or any other vehicle is blocking the rail, the racks can simply lift up and down independently to overstep the obstructions, which means gyroscopic transport can avoid minor traffic jams or road accidents and just keep on going forward. As of now, the vehicle exists only as a digital prototype, but there have been reports that DeHeer Insat is in discussions with Qatar about installing a real-life version of it in the country sometime in the future. Aeromobile. The Aeromobile is an incredible vehicle for several reasons. First off, it's a real flying car. Yes, it can actually fly in real life. In an amazing feat of engineering, the designers of the Aeromobile have managed to combine this functionality with a sleek and eerie beauty that makes this vehicle a true work of art. You can make use of the Aeromobile for its aerial capabilities, or its more mundane road traveling capabilities. But rest assured, whatever mode you pick, it'll take you to your destination with the style, elegance, and efficiency that you've always dreamed of, but never knew you could achieve. It's being claimed to transform into flight mode in just under 3 minutes, gaining the ability to travel as far as 223 miles per hour and cover 466 miles. It's no slouch when it's in car either, with a breathtaking top speed of 100 miles per hour. The Aeromobile is faster than most traditional flight and is less stressful and time-consuming than traveling through a traditional airline or ordering for a helicopter. It is noteworthy that you will need a pilot license to operate this vehicle in Europe, where it is certified to run and fly, as well as access to a runway. If you are in the United States, then the Aeromobile may not yet be available to use, but work is underway to ensure it is released as soon as possible. Underground tunnel transportation. The Boring Company, owned by Elon Musk, the same man behind SpaceX, is at the moment working on a subway system for cars underneath the streets of Las Vegas. The basic idea is essentially the same as an underground rail network. But the tunnels are designed for electric cars, not trains. The entryway to the tunnel is an elevator trolley that takes any car from a normal road directly to the lower level. At this point, the car doesn't actually need to use its own power for movement. The electric trolley hauls the car through the tunnel to the next city, or exit point, and finally lifts it up again to access normal road. When the system is operational, the road network will look like a 2-story structure. The trolley is constantly connected to the power source and can travel up to 124 miles per hour in the tunnel, all without draining the car's battery or fuel. Xpeng X2. In July 2021, Xpeng Aero HD officially launched its 5th-generation electric flying car, known as the X2. The vehicle takes the design language to a higher level and took its maiden internal flight in June 2021. The 2-seater intelligent electric flying car is powered by 8 motors and 8 propellers. Its fuselage is made of carbon fiber, providing the much-needed structural rigidity required for a flight, without being too heavy for vertical takeoff. The entire vehicle weighs only 560 kilograms and is able to carry a maximum payload of 200 kilograms without limiting its flight performance and overall balance. It's equipped with autonomous flight system and intelligent control. The vehicle's top speed is around 130 kilometers an hour, and flight time, with a fully charged battery, is 35 minutes. It might not sound like much, but half an hour of flight can get you from one end of a big city to the other. Although it can reach a maximum altitude of 1,000 meters, flight test data shows that the X2 is most comfortable when flying at around 400 meters altitude. Airbus pop-up. The search for a truly reliable and futuristic flying car has been going on for decades. One of the lastest ideas is the pop-up Next, made by a joint venture of Airbus, Audi, and Ital Design. The vehicle will be autonomous, and the plan is pretty simple too. Passengers will book their trip on a pop-up via an app. Pop-up then automatically suggests the most efficient route, in accordance with passenger-specific preferences configured on the app as well. First option will be transportation by road, but when it gets congested, Pop-up will detach the passenger capsule from its ground module, so the air module can fly it to the destination. The concept is to develop a modular ground and air passenger vehicle with three major components. Passenger capsule made of carbon fiber, electric-powered ground module, air module powered by rotor propulsion system. Technically speaking, the pop-up is already very close to a form of new transportation, which can be produced right now.